taking care of us so we don't get lost. Awesome guy. For me, it was the first time being in Indonesia, and to be honest, the first time being in Asian countries so far away from home. This is Caracca. Caracca is a sailboat, a black sailboat. Looks like a pirate ship, doesn't it? And we are about to cross the Indian Ocean, but there's another video about that. So most people who are living on the Anambra Archipel Islands are living actually here in Tarempa, the capital.
Nobody cares about your drone footage.
Okay, so you just want the video of me holding my GoPro and no beautiful shots, just the GoPro selfie style?
Yeah, exactly.
Well, okay then. For everyone else who wants to see the drone shots, actually, there will be another video just about that. You can watch it here. Today is Adventure Day. We are going to ride on a moped and on an Indonesian island. What's the name of the island here?
Anambas. That's the archipel.
We are on the Anambas archipel. This is Melanie. Who are you, Melanie?
I'm the French crew, part of the French crew on Caracca. And today we are going to explore the island on the land.
This is Verry. He gives us the moped.
Very handsome. Just pass then. One of these break.
Are you confident?
I am,
Yeah.
not really. But
She will be
together,
fine.
yeah.
She will be fine. Okay, now I test my moped. Yep, that works. Brake. Kinda works. Okay, I'll give it a try. And this is Tanya. And here we have Tom, our captain, and Emma. This is Peter. And where's Melanie? How do you feel right now?
Well, I'm starting to learn the device. So,
Remember the brake.
yeah.
Don't leave the brake, please.
Yeah.
Okay, you can go.
Our captain says he doesn't know where the road is, so we just follow him. Oh mon dieu, dangerous!
Yes. Ask them to always to keep
Yeah.
the brake always.
I tell her. Yeah.
Thank you.
She will manage. She forgot how to brake. And I must not forget to drive on the left side. Just what you film you. First time riding a moped from Melanie. She does a very good job. Very good job. We just finished our first practice around the town. Everything is flat, but later the roads will be way steeper. And we are now on the jetty. And on our left you can see our boat, Caracca.
On the side of the street, so Emma got out to try to catch him. I stopped and he ran under my motorcycle.
I guess now Caracca has a new pet, a cat and a dog. Let's see.
Going to drop him somewhere where there's people.
And now she's gonna take him back to his mom, I guess. I don't know where the mom is.
The only wrong thing you could do is eat the puppy. You don't eat the dog, okay? You don't eat the puppy. I don't know if you can hear me. It's very windy. But now there are way less mopeds on the road. It's nice. I need to get my sunglasses because too many flies in my eyes. Not good. Yeah, way better. How does it work? Brakes. Brakes. God damn it. Brakes. Ooh. Yeah. Let's just continue. Why do you drive so slow?
Because I'm looking at the landscape, the people, the villages, the fishermen. I'm not in a hurry. I'm in Indonesia, for God's sake.
We arrived now at the waterfall, right on the right of me. It's pretty dry because it didn't rain for a long time. You know something, right? Are green? Mangroves are green. Yeah, and these are mangroves, right in front of us, behind us. Oh, I just remembered one fun fact about mangroves. They're very good at protecting the coast. So, and it's very rich in nutrients. So there are a lot of fish in there for laying their eggs and making new babies, you know, these kind of things. I don't want to go into details, maybe you feel uncomfortable when I talk about fish sex. Ooh, there's Tanya coming. That's her. Do you know where we are, Emma?
We are in the top of the waterfall.
Ah. You know this guy already, Verry? He rented the mopeds for us and he came all the way to the waterfall. Why did you come here?
I was worried.
Because I worried about you.
Hey, Papa.
He saw how one of us drove away really crazy.
Really crazy. And you said, I'm dangerous.
So he came all the way to the waterfall to check on us if we're fine. That's awesome. Thank you, Verry. Nida. Nice to meet you, Nida.
Nice to meet you too.
I love her outfit. It didn't rain for a very long time here on this island. That's why there's so little water right now on this waterfall. Usually where we are standing right now would be water and we would be in danger. But we're safe now because it didn't rain for a long time. Okay, we are done with the waterfall. Let's continue our journey. I don't know where, but we are just going along the road.
Bye-bye.
Verry is driving with us. He's taking care of us so we don't get lost. Awesome guy. So this guy was just filling up gas with plastic bottles. That's how you do it here. Okay, we arrived in a random fisher village. I have no idea what the name of this village is. We're taking some pictures here and then we look for something to eat. We might have an opportunity here. I'm not sure yet, but Verry has it all figured out. I think so. How are you?
I am fine, thank you.
You're fine? How is riding the moped?
It was amazing. It's a new sensation I never experienced before. Really.
You feeling confident now or not?
Yeah. Very confident. It's really nice.
Next time.
How are you, Tanya?
I'm low, but I'm hungry.
Hungry?
As usual.
As usual.
On pourra chercher un magasin chinois, c'est un petit sac en plastique, un petit sachet.
I'm just a bit hungry.
You just had food. Why are you hungry?
It was a snack.
That was our little lunch. Maybe not for Tanya. For Tanya it was a snack. Let's go to continue our travel. Let's go back. cats were fighting. Yeah, we are driving carefully and slowly through this little village which is starting right now here. The roads have been quite good, but here they are starting to be quite bad. Yeah, whatever, it's fun anyway. We're back in Tarempa. Nobody saw that. Melanie, what just happened?
I almost died.
Okay, we arrived in Tarempa and now we're going to Bay Hill, which is a part of Tarempa where there is Wi-Fi. Yeah, end of the story. Curry, and I got a rice, and I got a hot sauce, and this is my lunch today. Yeah, Melanie has some fresh water.
Yay!
Tanya found Wi-Fi. That's Tanya. That's Wi-Fi. And this is how our day ends, I guess. And we have to bring back the mopeds to Verry. Yeah, don't forget that.
Bisous!
If you like this video, subscribe to this channel. Hit the notification bell so you get the notification next time there's a video.